Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel Langlet Guides Multiple Choice Question Series. We are here today to discuss some important MCQs on the topic On Another's Sorrow. But before we start, we are on the road to 3K. So consider sharing these videos with your friends and smacking that subscribe button if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's go on to the MCQs. Question number 1. Who is the poet of the poem On Another's Sorrow? Options are A. William Shakespeare, B. William Blake, C. William Wordsworth, or D. William Faulkner. Correct option is B. William Blake. Question number 2. William Blake was not a dash dash. Options are A. Poet, B. Painter, C. Engraver, or D. Musician. Correct option is D. Musician. Question number 3. What is the lifespan, that is birth and death, of William Blake? Options are A. 1757 to 1827, B. 1757 to 1830, C. 1757 to 1833, or D. 1757 to 1835. Correct option is A. 1757 to 1827. Question number 4. When was On Another Sorrow published? Options are A. 1775, B. 1787, C. 1789, or D. 1791. Correct option is C. 1789. Question number 5. On Another's Sorrow was published in a poetic collection named dash dash. Options are A. Songs of Innocence, B. Songs of Experience, C. An Island in the Moon, or D. All Religions Are One. Correct option is A. Songs of Innocence. Question number 6. William Blake was a poet of dash dash age. Options are A. Victorian, B. Romantic, C. Modern, or D. Classical. Correct option is B. Romantic. Question number 7. Dash dash is known as William Blake's first publication of poetry. Options are A. Songs of Innocence, B. Songs of Experience, C. Poetical Sketches, or D. The Marriage of Heaven and Hell. Correct option is C. Poetical Sketches. Question number 8. On Another's Sorrow has dash dash stanzas and every stanza contains 4 lines, which is quatrain. Options are A. 9, B. 6, C. 4, or D. 5. Correct option is A. 9. Question number 9. What is the rhyme scheme of the lyric On Another Sorrow? Options are A. AABB, B. ABAB, C. ABBA, or D. AABA. Correct option is A. AABB. Question number 10. The poem On Another's Sorrow goes closely with dash dash. Options are A. Gospel of Saint Martin, B. Gospel of Saint Matthew, C. Gospel of Thomas, or D. Gospel of Andrew. Correct option is B. Gospel of Saint Matthew. Question number 11. What is the speaker's tone at the beginning of the poem On Another's Sorrow? Options are A. Sorrowful, B. Neutral, C. Joyful, or D. Hopeful. Correct option is A. Sorrowful. Question number 12. On Another's Sorrow is a symbolic illustration of the fact that God can be dash dash. Options are A. Different to human sufferings, B. Indifferent to human sufferings, C. Not indifferent to human sufferings, or D. Flexible to human sufferings. Correct option is C. Not indifferent to human sufferings. Question number 13. What type of highly interconnecting world William Blake present in the poem? Options are A. Human world, B. Animal world, C. Evil world, or D. Physical world. Correct option is A. Human world. Question number 14. What type of question is used in the line Can I see another woe and not be in sorrow too? Options are A. Rhetorical question, B. Yes-no type question, C. Tag question, or D. WH question. Correct option is A. Rhetorical question. Question number 15. According to William Blake, who will give us relief from pain and sorrow? Options are A. Mother, B. Father, C. God, or D. Teacher. Correct option is C. God. Question number 16. Which poetic device is used in the lines "No, no, never can it be. Never, never can it be"? Options are A. Metaphor, B. Hyperbole, C. Refrain, or D. Simile. Correct option is C. Refrain. Question number 17. What do you mean by rain? Options are A. A lovebird, B. A songbird, C. A dancing bird, or D. A colorful bird. Correct option is B. A songbird. Question number 18. What kind of attitude the speaker shows towards God? Options are A. Amusing, B. Neutral, C. Positive, or D. Negative. Correct option is C. Positive. Question number 19. Who is Almighty or Savior of man in the poem On Another's Sorrow? Options are A. An angel, B. He or God, C. Satan, or D. A demon. Correct option is B. He or God. Question number 20. When, according to Blake, father's heart will fill with sorrow? Options are A. When child falls down, B. When child is not successful, C. When child weeps, or D. When child is a winner. Correct option is C. When child weeps. Question number 21. Who is the he, his, and maker being referred to in the poem On Another's Sorrow? Options are A. Artist, B. Father, C. God, or D. Man. Correct option is C. God. Question number 22. Who sits by the cradle and weep when an infant cry? Options are A. God, B. Father, C. Mother, or D. Sister. Correct option is A. God. Question number 23. In the poem On Another's Sorrow, the cradle is used as dash dash. Options are A. An infant's bed, B. God's bed, C. Swing for boys, or D. A playing tool. Correct option is A. An infant's bed. Question number 24. In the poem On Another's Sorrow, God becomes an infant because dash dash. Options are A. He loves to become an infant, B. He is happy to become an infant, C. He wants to feel the sorrow, or D. He does not like human race. Correct option is C. He wants to feel the sorrow. Question number 25. In On Another's Sorrow, who can't hear the infant's groan? Options are A. God, B. Father, C. Mother, or D. Man. Correct option is C. Mother. Question number 26. Doth, though, canst, and thy are dash dash English words. Options are A. Modern, B. Classical, C. Archaic, that is old, or D. Popular. Correct option is C. Archaic, that is old. Question number 27. William Blake uses dash dash words like all small, care bear, day away, gone mourn, nest breast to create a musical effect. Options are A. Synonyms, B. Antonyms, C. Rhyming, or D. Obscure. Correct option is C. Rhyming. Question number 28. Words used by Blake like night and day, grief and relief are called dash dash words. Options are A. Parallel, B. Opposite or contradictory, C. Synonyms, or D. Figurative. Correct option is B. Opposite or contradictory. Question number 29. What are the major themes of the poem On Another's Sorrow? Options are A. God's love, faith and compassion, B. Anger of the God, C. Importance of God and religion in our country, or D. Tyranny of God. Correct option is A. God's love, faith and compassion. So, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.